Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to easily copy a scheduled video chat invite link on Telegram using your PC with the new update. This is a quick process that lets you share your invite link with friends, colleagues, or group members in just a few simple steps. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you are logged into the account where you manage or participate in the group, whose scheduled video chat you want to share. Next, navigate to the group by selecting it from your chat list. Once inside the group, look for the scheduled video chat that you have planned or that is upcoming. Click to open this scheduled video chat. Now, head to the top right corner of the video chat window, where you'll see 3 dots. This is the menu icon. Click on these 3 dots to reveal more options. From the menu, choose Settings. This will take you into the settings related to that scheduled video chat. Inside the settings, you will find an option called Share Invite Link, or something similar. Click on this, and the invite link will be copied or ready to be shared. You can now paste this link anywhere you want in a message, an email, or a social platform, allowing others to join your scheduled video chat directly. This method makes scheduling and sharing your video chat effortless, keeping your group connected and engaged no matter where they are. Remember, you must have the proper permissions in the group to access and share this invite link. If you're not seeing these options, check whether you are an admin or have the rights to manage the scheduled video chat. With these straightforward steps, you can quickly copy and share your Telegram scheduled video chat invite link on your PC after the latest update.